Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alexander and I own a digital marketing agency. We help businesses generate more revenue through various methods such as Facebook and Instagram ads, TikTok ads, and email marketing. In this video, I'm going to show to you how you can outsource work for your agency, and it's very important to outsource work because it's going to allow you to focus on more important aspects of your agency, such as getting more clients, delivering greater results for them. You can outsource work from various sites. Now, the two most famous one are gonna be Fiverr and Upwork. For my personal experience, I found Upwork to be better, and you're gonna find better talent there. So in this video, I'm gonna show to you how you can post a job and hire someone to outsource leads for you, and you can create a similar job for anything else you want to outsource of your agency. So let's jump right into my computer and I'm going to show you how to. Hey guys, welcome to my computer. So the first thing to do is to go to upwork.com. You can sign up with your Gmail and fill your account details, payment methods, and all this stuff. And you're going to come to the home page and you're going to click post a job. In our case, we're gonna need a short-term or part-time work, which is gonna be less than 30 hours a week and less than 3 months. If you have posted before any kind of jobs here, you can click reuse a previous job post and it's gonna populate automatically all the information. I'm gonna click continue, enter the name of your job. I have already created a draft, so which I'm gonna put in the description below. After this video, you can use it when you post your job. So basically the title is gonna be, we're looking for a professional data miner who can deliver 100 qualified leads for our agency. After you enter the title, Upwork is gonna automatically suggest you a job category. In our case, it's gonna be either data mining or lead generation. I'm gonna click data mining. Here you can add a description, and Upwork is going to tell you a good description includes what the deliverable is, type of freelancer or agency you're looking for, and so on. Again, I have added the information required and the job description. So here what we're going to do is we are looking for a professional data miner that will deliver 100 qualified leads for our agency. Now we're gonna also add the info required from the freelancer. It's going to be website, business email, business owner name, business owner personal email, business Facebook page, business Instagram page, LinkedIn page, and a phone number. Now, if you require any more information, you can add it so, or if there's something you don't need here, you can also take it off. But this is generally what we're going to be looking for. We can also add what the business requirements are going to be. So if you need the business to be in a specific niche, if you want them to have a specific amount of followers, so for example, more than 50,000 followers or less than 1 million followers on social media. Also, you can add, if they are not running ads or if they are running ads, you can add a specific niche. So for example, roofing, dentists, e-commerce, and a country you want the business to be in. Now, bear in mind that the more business requirements you have and the more information you require, it's going to take longer the freelancer to complete the job, and it's going to be harder for him or her to complete the job. So it's going to cost you probably a little bit more. So basically, this is going to be the job description. Very simple. It explains what info we require from the leads and the business requirements. I'm going to click next. When we come to this page, it's going to be details. It's going to be a one-time project, and here you can add any questions you might have for the freelancer when they apply for the job. When you click add a question, Upwork is going to suggest you common questions that people ask in their job posts, or we can create our own. I've already, as I said earlier, I've already prepared some questions as well, so you can copy and paste them, but we're basically gonna ask them if they have completed similar jobs to this before and what is their experience, and to tell us a little bit more about themselves. We're gonna also ask them if they have any questions about the job. So if they understand the job description and if they're gonna be able to deliver all the information required. We're gonna also ask them with what tool they verify the emails, because it's gonna be pointless if they give you emails and they're not verified and you can't reach the business owner. And last, we're gonna ask them to send us sample leads between 5 and 10, so we can see what kind of leads they're gonna deliver to us and have some expectations. You can also ask to deliver to add a cover letter to the application, but in many cases, even if you say no, freelancers are gonna add it just in case if you want to see it. I'm gonna click next. Expertise, here we're gonna need data entry, data mining tools. Here, if you want them to be able to work with certain tools, so in our case we're gonna need them to be able to work with Microsoft Excel. Data mining languages, here we need lead generation, data scraping, data mining, and if you haven't found the skills here, you can add them from here. And what level of expertise should your freelancer have? In our case, we can do entry level. I'm gonna click next. Here in location, because I'm based in the UK, it's gonna give us the options to be UK only or worldwide. I would highly recommend you to go worldwide, because this job can be done by anyone and it's gonna be a lot cheaper if you outsource this from other countries. If you want to add a specific country or preference, here you can do so. I'm gonna click next. Now, who can see this job? I would recommend you to go for Upwork only, and we need only one freelancer to complete this job. Specify the qualifications you're looking for in a successful proposal. You can add them here, but I usually leave it open. I'm gonna click next, and here you can add the budget. As I mentioned earlier, you can definitely go with the fixed price, because it's gonna be hard to track how much they're working for and to pay them by the hour. So pay a fixed price, and for 100 leads we're gonna pay $25. Gonna click next. Here you can review your job post if everything looks good. Here on the bottom you can add any coworkers, so we're gonna add their email and a personal message. You can also save it, exit, and post the job later on, or in our case we're gonna post the job now. After I post the job, there are gonna be a couple of tabs here. Now, view job post is gonna be basically you can review your job posting. Invite freelancers. Upwork is gonna suggest you freelancers that have done similar jobs to yours, and you can see them here. Couple of things to note here. You can click on their profile, and you can see 100. This guy, for example, has 100% job success rate. When you hire someone, I recommend you to go for people who have above 90% job success rate, but you can see this person has completed only 15 jobs, so probably doesn't have a lot of experience. You can definitely give him a try. So let's say you're gonna click invite, and you can add your personal message, but I usually leave the one here. I'm inviting it for a job. Then you can see that this person, for example, has earned $5,000 on internet research projects and has 13 relevant skills to your job. So you can check him out. 80% job success rate, so this is a red flag. He has completed 309 jobs, so quite a lot of jobs, so he definitely has the experience, but people are not happy with the results he's giving him, so we're gonna pass this one. But you basically get the point. Again, you can see $20,000 earned, 58 jobs, 2,000 hours spent, but 87 job success rate. It's not a lot below 90%, so we can we can give it a try. But you get the point. There's a lot of pages here and a lot of different people. One other thing you can pay attention to is this right here. So you can see lead generation top 1%. This means that this person is in the top 1% of people who do lead generation. So he's very high skilled. Now if you click on his profile, you can see he's top rated freelancer and his job success rate above 92%, 92 jobs completed, and more than $10,000 earned. So definitely we can invite him. When you click on their profile, you can see previous jobs that they have completed and reviews and feedback that they have. You can also see their portfolio, skills, employment history, and so on. Here on review proposals, here you're gonna see if people accept your invitations and apply for the job. I would suggest you to, after you post the job, invite some people and leave it about 20 to 24 hours and come back the next day, and you're gonna have at least 15 people apply for the job. You can review them and definitely ask them to send you about 5 to 10 sample leads. Then you can shortlist a couple of people and you can interview them and hire the one that you like. After you hire someone, the money that you have set, the budget, are gonna be taken out from your account and are gonna be put into escrow. Now what escrow is a basically platform which is gonna hold the money until the job is completed. After the job is completed, you can review the leads and accept the payment, so the money are gonna be transferred to the freelancer. After the job is completed, I highly recommend you to leave a positive feedback if the freelancer has done a good job, because it means a lot to them and it's gonna help them make more money. Now that's basically it from the video, guys. If you found any value, please leave a comment. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below and I'll answer them all. Also like and subscribe to the channel if you have found any value, because it really helps me out in the YouTube algorithm. But that's basically it from the video. Thank you very much for your time and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.